Foam extinguishers are painted signal red with a cream panel. Foam fire extinguishers are suitable for use on Class A fires like paper and wood, and Class B fires involving flammable liquids. To use a foam extinguisher, pull the safety tag to break the seal. Pull out the safety pin. Hold the handle and the discharge hose. Test the extinguisher to check if it works. When using a foam extinguisher on a flammable liquid fire, you do not aim at the base of the fire. You aim at the back edge of the fire and allow the foam to form a blanket over the fire.